We're each on a unique spiritual path. While our paths may differ on the surface, there are truths and values we all share. Truths that transcend our religions, philosophies, and traditions. Values that support an open and connected community. At the Theosophical Society in America, we seek with open minds, respect the unity of all life, transform through inner awareness. Since 1875, we have not wavered in our mission to uplift the consciousness of humanity. Today, we're working harder than ever to uphold these sacred values by offering resources that span all spiritual paths. Explore rich and diverse online and in-person programs. Browse hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel. Utilize our world-class spiritual library. Discover all the ways you can nurture your spiritual growth. Transform yourself. Transform our world.